Alright kiddos, I'm working on Ms194 for a squealing noise. My customer says it's making this noise when it's running. That happens to be the crankshaft. We have to get behind it to kind of file it down so that noise won't occur. If you have this issue, you could do it yourself. If not, take it to your closest place that kind of deals with saws. So I'm gonna crank it and run it so you guys could maybe hear the issue, and we could kind of get it on video, and then we're gonna go ahead and fix it and then listen to it afterwards. Okay, the sound you heard at the beginning and at the end when I cranked it and then when I turned it off, that's the sound I'm talking about. I have my tool that stops my piston to go up and down so I can remove this clutch. So you have to remove the clutch first, and you got to do it's left hand thread, so this is opposite. Okay, you take that off, then you remove your sprocket, and then in between your sprocket and your crankshaft you have a bearing too, so make sure you have that, all the three pieces. Then this piece here is your worm that turns your pump. Actually three, you have one down here, one right here, and one way up here. So remember, three, okay, because then you're going to be pulling and you're going to break this piece. Okay, so we got it off. Now we're just going to loosen this screw up and kind of pull this up and out a little bit. You don't have to completely disconnect it, just move it out of the way so we can file this crankshaft. I have my sandpaper and I just filed. Okay, just make sure you file it down real good. Filed all the way already enough, so I am gonna go ahead and put all these pieces back together, and we are gonna turn it on and see how it does. Okay, let's put our worm back in, then our sprocket, and it sits right on the grooves. Then your bearing. Always make sure this has grease, okay? And you want to do it on the outside part of the bearing. Then stick it in there, and then put on your clutch. Remember, go opposite. Okay. Now we just gotta tighten it. Okay. Now we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna put my spark plug back in, and we're gonna give it a go. Okay. No more sound. So we fixed the problem. Thank you guys for watching. Come see me again for the next one.